A freezing overnight blizzard brought the Inner Mongolia region to a near standstill, severely affecting highway traffic. On the 308 provincial highway, vehicles were stuck in deep snow as severe blizzards lowered visibility from 200 metres to less than 10 in just 10 minutes. The snow started falling on Friday night and brought almost 1 metre of snow to the highway by Saturday morning. Local highway maintenance authorities dispatched 4 bulldozers to the road to clear away snow, whilst traffic authorities reinforced policing to help vehicles pass safely. Local residents have been told to avoid any unnecessary outdoor activities. Temperatures are expected to drop a further 10 to 13 degrees over the next 2 days in the central and eastern parts of Inner Mongolia, bringing further disruption to the region.